สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Beginner Lesson 232 Simple Carrot Flour. Soak a carrot in lukewarm water with 1 teaspoon of salt for 5 minutes. Divide the carrot into 12 sections. Cut straight down approximately half centimeter deep. Cut behind to separate each section. Trim the center to create a round shape. Cut off half centimeter from the center. Carve a second row of small petals around the center. Remove the flesh behind to create a round shape. Carve curved petal shapes in the center. Trim the second row of petals in different sizes as shown. Thank you very much for your support.